Hi lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be unboxing my new wireless microphone. In order to improve the audio quality of my videos, I decided to buy a new wireless microphone. So I ordered for a wireless microphone from Jumia online and it was delivered to me. So I decided to unbox it with you all and also try it to see how it is. So this is the microphone and the name written on it is K9 wireless microphone. It's a double wireless microphone for iPhone and Apple devices. And when we come to the side, this is how it looks like. So this is the side and this is the other side. So when we look at the other side, we can see that it's a double wireless microphone for iPhone and Type-C. So it is for both iPhone and Android. So now we are going to unbox this microphone. So let's do it together. Alright, so we can open it from here. So this is what we have inside. So we can see that we have two microphones and the receiver. So it's a Type-C receiver. So here we have the charger. So let's see what the charger looks like. This is the charger. So here we have our charger. And then here we have the receiver. This is what I'll be inserting into my phone. Then here we have the two wireless microphones. So there are two. That's the good thing. Let's assume you want to interview someone. You can use one and then the other person will use the other one. So that's why I went for the two, just in case. So this is how the microphone looks like. So we are going to try it to see the quality. So I think we have another receiver here. So I don't really know much about this yet. So I will have to read the manual to get to know about it. Now let's look at the manual. This is the long manual. It's very long. So this is what is written there. Thanks for choosing our product. This product is a smart wireless microphone that provides professional grade recording output. Plug and play. No app required. Multiple uses. It can be used in online live broadcast, video vlog shooting, program interview, recording, video teaching, and other occasions. This is the content of the package. So we have microphone transmitter, Type-C receiver, Type-C charging cable, and user manual. I need to indicate that before using the microphone, we need to charge it. We need to charge the microphone. So when you plug it, while it's charging, you see a red light. Then when the red light goes off, then it means it's completely charged. So I had to charge it before I could try it. I'm done charging the microphone now. This is the Type-C receiver. I'm going to be connecting this to my phone. So the microphone is on now, and this is how I sound with the wireless microphone. Please let me know if you notice any difference in the comment section, and also whether the quality of the sound is good. So this is how the microphone sounds. If you think it's good and you like to get some, I bought it at 149 Ghana cedis from Jumia online. As at the time I was buying it, they said there were few of them left. I don't know if as of now it's still there or not, but you can check on Jumia as I've given you the name. If you are interested, you can check on Jumia. Right now, this is how I sound without the microphone. So I hope you get the difference. So I'm going to put the microphone back again. I'm going to clip it to my dress and we'll see again if there's any difference. So I've clipped this to my dress and this is how I sound again. So I know that by now the difference is clear. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to get notified when whenever we upload a new video. And if this video has been helpful to you, kindly give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye.